myself in the good position. Alright. Oh, don't take the picture. Okay. Of course, these advertisements. Hi, Tanya! Doing videos for YouTube, so I'll let you know when this is right about now. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. You find a girl and settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you found something going on. But take your time and think a lot. Why, think of everything you've got, for you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain? When I do, he turns away again. It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. Interlude. A little bit of an interlude. Do 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 da 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 do 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 do. It's not time to make a change. Just sit down, take it slowly. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. You find a girl, you settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. All the times that I cried, keeping all the things I do inside, it is hard, but it's harder to ignore it. If they were right, I'd agree, but it's them they know, not me. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. That, of course,